This might be the cheapest way to transform a Seat Leon FR.
Or any car in that matter. But once again, we're going to be putting our trust
In Temu.
Now, Temu's a place where everything's cheap. Even car parts and modifications. We have already done these black mirror caps and the tinted tail lights from Temu. But what's next? As always, if you're not already, don't forget to click subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss an upload like this again on the channel.
So, the modification that we are fitting today is in this box.
And here it is. If you guys hadn't already guessed it, we got a spoiler for this Seat from Temu.
Now, we have already dry fitted this, and Temu, I am quite impressed. The fitment is better than what I had on mine. So what we're going to do, we've got some 3M tape and we've also got some Tiger Seal. Now, my friend whose car this is doesn't want to full send it and put loads of Tiger Seal on, so we're going to put a dot of Tiger Seal, another dot of Tiger Seal, one there and one there, and the rest will be tape. And hopefully this works. So first step is going to be prepping the surface, giving it a wash and using some IPA to make sure that everything bonds correctly. So let's go.
I'm first going to start washing it with some warm soapy water and a microfiber cloth. This is so that when we get to the Tiger Seal, it actually sticks to the car rather than sticking to the dirt and the grease that's on the surface. And then we can go ahead and dry it with a microfiber towel. And whilst I was doing that, my friend was cleaning up the spoiler with some IPA and then sticking the 3M double-sided sticky tape onto the spoiler, ready to take off and put onto the car. And then, whilst I'm cleaning the car with some IPA, my friend can go ahead and start peeling the double-sided sticky tape off of the spoiler. This video is also sponsored by Carista, so let's see what it can do. Now, if you want to work on your own car, this is something that you definitely need to know about. This is the Carista Evo, a compact diagnostic tool that gives you access to a whole range of features directly from your phone. You can plug it into your car's OBD2 port and use the Carista app to scan for fault codes, read live data, clear codes, reset service intervals, which is exactly what we're doing now, and carry out different diagnostic functions without needing to take your car straight to a garage. But it goes a lot further than just diagnostics. Depending on the vehicle, Carista can also give you access to hidden features and customization options, allowing you to change different settings and coding that you wouldn't normally be able to access through the car's standard menus. So whether you're trying to diagnose a problem, reset a service light, customize your car, or simply have more control over what's going on under the bonnet, the Carista Evo is a really useful bit of kit to have. And if you want to check one out for yourself, use my code 15LiamClub at checkout to get a discount. Now let's get back to the car.
There we go, they're all gone. And then we can go ahead, disconnect, turn the car off, unplug the key, unplug our device. If you guys did want to pick one of these up for yourself, then use my code 15LiamClub to get yourself 15% off. the device and a year's subscription. Once again, 15 Liam Club on the screen right there to save yourself 15% off on a year subscription and the device itself.
This is probably also a good time to mention, if you're not already, don't forget to click subscribe and leave a comment down below if you guys trust Temu.
You want a little blob there, or should we do a little blob there, little blob there, little blob there, there.
Yeah. Coming.
And now, we can finally go ahead and get the tiger seal put onto the spoiler and get the spoiler put in place. And hopefully, it's going to look good. And this is definitely the part where we do not want to mess anything up. So we're going to take our time and put the spoiler down in place, and then probably try and secure it with some tape so it doesn't move.
Tiniest little drip.
Yeah, I'm not the same on that side as well.
Yeah? You just say you didn't like it. Well, it's gone on well. Just got to hope it doesn't fall off now.
Yeah.
And now all I'm going to do is just put some electrical tape so that it holds it in place.
Let's go ahead and secure the spoiler in place with this electrical tape. I did actually find that using this electrical tape probably wasn't the best idea because it doesn't stick very well. It's great for cables, but as soon as it comes to sticking something down, yeah, it's not the best.
And here we are, one spoiler all installed to the Seat Leon. Cheers, mate. From Temu, of course. So I will leave it up to you guys to decide whether Temu has transformed the Seat or not. Personally, I think for the sake of £40, it has not done half a bad job. And of course, if you guys do want more content on this car, make sure to like, make sure to subscribe. If this video gets 100 likes, we'll get a splitter for this Seat Leon, of course off Temu. As always, if you haven't already, don't forget to click subscribe and leave a comment down below if you guys have ever done this modification yourself. Unfortunately, that is all we have time for in today's video, but as I said, 100 likes and we'll get a splitter for the Seat Leon. And we've got one happy friend hopefully happy. Anyway, doesn't look too promising. But from me for now, it's goodbye, and I will see you in the next episode on the channel. What?